What's up, guys? This is Kiir Sylvester again, and today let me introduce you guys to the strategy that I've been using. Um, some of you might have known it with the name Stylish Cat, so we remodeled that strategy and the name to a different name because it wasn't making sense to most of you. Some of you were laughing at it. So the strategy is AMC. So AMC is Ajomville Market Concepts. Okay, so this is just a price action strategy that deals with market structure. We deal with ICC stuff. Okay, so the only differences will be the entry models. Everything is ICC. The difference is the entry models. So I have three entry models. And before we even talk of strategy in details, let me give you a breakdown of the trade on BTC that I took yesterday. And it was a TP123RR. So this trade was also shared in the community. So link will be in the bio. And then if you want to trade with the broker that I use, link will also be in the bio.
Yep. So guys, the breakdown of the trade is this. So as you can see here, yesterday I had this market was somewhere here. So it gave me an indication right here. Okay. What was this indication? It was telling me like price is about to go down. So it gave me the indication here. And then I waited for the correction. Okay. So as you can see, this was our indication. Okay. You guys understand that? So that was the indication. I don't like that color. Let me remove this. I put gray. Okay. So market gave me an indication to the downside. Okay. Because we had what? Yeah, higher low. Okay. Then we had sort of a higher high, higher low. Then it failed to give me a new higher high. So I was like, snap, that's cool. Since it failed to give me a new higher high, so I was expecting like uh, the price to be buried. So after giving me an indication here, so it gave us this push up to here. Then I was waiting. I was patient. So when market came back correctly, when it was correcting, I waited for it to correct into my fair value gap. So this is my type 3 entry. So it corrected into this gap. As you guys can see here, market corrected into that gap. Okay. So I also had my zero confirmation trend line also up here. Okay. You guys see that. So I had that up there. And yeah. So indication where? Indication here. Okay. Correction move here. Okay. Then my entry was supposed to be at the gap. Okay. I entered late, by the way. I entered late. I did not enter exactly at the gap. So this was even on the 30 minutes time frame. Let me come out here. So when it entered into the gap, giving me my type 3 entry, I waited and then I entered somewhere here for a short position. So it gave me like the 1:3 RR. So it was still somewhere there. Okay. So this is how this trade happened. And it's basically just like this. Okay. Just like this. Price that. Okay. So price indicates, okay. And then you have a gap somewhere there. So when it corrects, it will correct into the gap. And then you sell off. You understand? So this was the type of entry that I took yesterday. And so that's it. That's it. That was the breakdown of the trade. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe and then comment more. And then I'll do more of this ICC breakdown. Okay. So up to here. Bye for now. Also, make sure to check out my trading community on Telegram. I think the link will be in the bio so that you can, actually trading over there now and then. And so let's go.